Family and friends mourning tonight the death of Cassie Carli, the missing Navarre mother found dead over the weekend in a shallow grave in North Alabama.
Now they're trying to turn tragedy into hope and honoring her legacy. WKRG News 5's Daniel Smithson tells us about what they hope the Cassie Carli Foundation will accomplish.
What did the world lose when it lost Cassie Carli?
The world lost the best kind of friend to have.
A week after Cassie Carli went missing in Navarre, and 2 days after her body was found in Alabama, family and friends mourn their loss.
Anyone who knew Cassie knows she was the light of your life.
I always promised my sister, if something were to ever happen, that we would get justice and I would make sure everyone knows her name.
Cassie's ex, Marcus Spanavello, in custody and expected to be charged in her death. She went missing after a custody exchange between her and Spanavello went south.
And we're going to make sure this can never happen to any other woman.
Cassie's friend Sam Graves and her partner Gregory now starting the Cassie Carli Foundation, a nonprofit that will focus on preventing domestic violence and assisting its victims.
The mission statement of the Cassie Carli Foundation is going to be this: rescuing women from the grips of domestic violence and keeping them safe.
The foundation plans to offer a set of eyes during custody exchanges for added protection.
I will go park in the parking lot. No one has to see me, but I will be there in the shadows in the event something goes sideways.
Educating domestic violence victims also a focus.
This can happen to you.
The foundation is in its early stages, but Graves hopes it helps other women escape what Cassie sadly couldn't.
Cassie was full of light, love, and joy.
The investigation into Cassie's disappearance and death is ongoing.
It's not the ending that we wanted.
Spanavello has not been cooperative with law enforcement. More charges against him are expected pending an autopsy report.
And I think he's either going to spend the rest of his life in prison or he's going to get the needle. So hopefully the needle.
Now, Marcus Spanavello was in court this afternoon in Tennessee where he was arrested. He has refused to waive extradition back to Santa Rosa County where he faces those charges. In Pensacola, Daniel Smithson, WKRG News 5.